Hi Jim, my name is Alexis from Taylor & Son Chevrolet. I'm going to be showing you these two Suburbans. I do apologize, it's a bit windy today. Hopefully you'll be able to hear me. Alright, we'll start with this guy here. They are identical in features, but I'll make sure and point out everything I would want to know if I were you. Overall, this guy is in great condition. There's a few body imperfections that I will make sure and point out. Got running boards here, got that nice layer of pollen that all of our vehicles have right now. No scratches, anything like that. No tears in the leather. Headliner, it's in great condition. Got our sunroof up here. Dash doesn't have any dings in it. Carpet's very clean. Head to the back seat here. Again, no tears or anything like that. Got our heated rear seats, which is nice. Third row. Doesn't even look like it's been sat in. Headliner does have some, it's not a tear, but some of the fibers are out, so it's a little fuzzy. You can kind of see there. And then you do have a stain right there, and that is above the third row. Tires are in good condition on these guys, as well as the wheels. Back here you do have a couple scrapes. You can see my finger for reference there. Open up the back for you. Got a little scratch right there. Back here's clean, little scrape there. Got your power fold seats. Close this guy. Back here you have some scrapes. It's kind of hard to see with the reflection. You can kind of see them. Yeah, there we go. And that'll continue along here. You have a bit of a chunk there. You'll have a scrape that goes along here. I think you can kind of see it. There we go. Then you have some scraping over on this passenger side door. You can see it there. It's not deep, you can't really feel it if you run over it. Back seat over here. Got our passenger side. Have another, oh, that was dirt, never mind. You can see two more scratches that run down lengthwise. God, it is bright out. They're gonna be hard to see in this. Maybe you can see right along there. We got one, and there's also one parallel. Alright, so that concludes the darker Suburban. We'll move on to the silver guy. Again, I'll give you a brief overview of condition. Features will be the same. Wheels in excellent condition. Again, no rips or tears in the leather or the headliner. You do have one stain up here. It's my finger for reference. Right in there. Head to the back seat. And that third row. have a scrape right there. Let's see if I can get to see it. It is ever so slight, but I would want to know. There we go. I'll close this guy. Alright, that is dirt. We do have some missing paint back here. This is on the rear corner bumper. Right there. And two guys there. Okay, and then this is going to be very hard to see, but there is a scrape along here. You have to hit the right light to see it. On camera. There's the back passenger side. And lastly, our front passenger. Alright, Jim, that concludes my tour of these two beautiful certified pre-owned Suburbans. Let us know when you can come by and see it in person. Thank you.